Our topic is vector product and cross product. Suppose we have two vector, A vector and B vector. Now we have A vector cross. This is cross. A vector cross B vector is equal to A B sin theta. On the contrary of dot product, we will have A vector dot B vector, which is equal to A B cos theta. So over here, dot is replaced by cross and cos theta is replaced by sin theta. So vector product, the definition is vector product of two vector is the product of magnitude of vector multiplied by sine of angle. This is the definition. Vector product of two vector is the product of magnitude of vector multiplied by sine of angle. Whereas in cross product it is magnitude of vector multiplied by cos of angle. Multiplied by cos of angle. Please note it down. This is the formula for to calculate A vector cross B vector. A vector cross B vector is equal to AB sin theta. Now, we have various value of sine. Sine 0 is 0. Means if two vectors are parallel, if two vectors are parallel, then their cross product is 0. Please note it down. If two vectors are parallel, then their cross product is 0. If on the contrary, if two vectors are perpendicular, their dot product is 0. So this is just a comparison between cross product and a dot product. Let's start with some numerical. Consider A vector is 2i cap minus 3j cap minus k cap and B vector is minus 6i cap plus 9j cap plus 3k cap. Show A vector is parallel to B vector. Show A vector is Student, please solve it. Now, one thing more before solving, how to find cross product. Please listen very carefully. Suppose we have any vector, a vector as ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap, and b vector is bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. Dear student, please, this is very important topic. Please note down carefully. So, to solve a vector cross b vector, what we will do, we will have a determinant like this: I cap, j cap, and k cap. We will make a determinant form, put I cap, j cap, k cap unit vector, and below of them their respective vector, just as ax, ay, az, bx, by, bz. First, we write their unit vector, then their element. With I, we have ax, with j, we have ay, with k, we have az. Similar is with b vector. Now, for I cap, just hide out this column and this row. We will not consider that much part. We just multiply these elements. So it will be ay bz minus az by. Again, while solving I cap, we will hide complete row and complete column. The remaining element will be multiplied. Ay bz minus az by. For the next component j, we will put minus j cap bracket. Now, while solving j, we will again hide j and like. Now, these terms will be multiplied: ax, bx, az, and bz. So, we will have az bx minus ax bz. And for the last one, plus k, we will hide these terms. And the remaining terms will be ax, bx, ay, by. So equation ax, by minus ay, bx. Ax, by minus ay, b. This is the easiest way to solve cross product. I'm repeating again. We have a vector, axi cap, ayj cap, az k cap, b vector, bxi cap, byj cap plus bz k cap. And to find the cross product of a vector cross b vector. In a determinant form, first write I cap, j cap and k cap, then their element for a vector I, ax, j, ay, k, az. For b vector bx, by and bz. While solving, first we will hide out column I and row of I. The remaining element will be multiplied ay into bz minus az into by. Then formula j like this, we will have ax, bx, az, bz. So az, bx minus ax, bz. And for the last one, sorry, for the k cap, we will have ax, ay, bx, by. When these are multiplied, we will get the.
Sir, it is like cross multiplication.
Uh,
Sir, I said it is like cross multiplication only.
Only for the cross multiplication. Is that clear to you? Please let me know.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's solve a numerical based on this. You have terms a vector as 2 I cap minus 3 j cap. So a vector is two I cap minus 3 j cap minus k cap. And b vector is minus 6 I cap plus 9 j cap plus 3 k cap. So we will have I, j, k. 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 6, 9 and 3. For I cap. This term will be hided out. Remaining term will be multiplied. So it will be minus 3 into minus 3. Minus 9 minus 9 into minus 1. Minus 9. For the minus j, we will hide these terms. And multiply the rest one. So we will have minus 1 into minus 6, that is 6 minus 2 into 3, 6. Sorry. Next is k plus k. These term will be hided out and remaining will be multiplied. So 2 nines are 18 minus 6 threes are 18. 0, 0, 0, 0. Now the cross product of two vectors is 0. So a vector is parallel to b vector. A vector is parallel to b vector. I hope it is clear with you. Any doubt in this? Artaj, Arhak, Jaisar, Laureen, Prachi, Parmeet, Nitesh, Mehak.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Bhavya,
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
you people are clear? Now, just solve another one. If A vector is 3 I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap and B vector is 2 I cap minus 2j cap plus 4k cap. Find A cross B. Please find out. I'm waiting for the answer, please. Nitish, what's the answer?
Sir, I'm wait a second.
Mehak, Doreen, please equate it.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
हाँ जी.
सर ये साइन जो बीच में हम लगाते हैं माइनस जे प्लस के आपने लगाया है, ये साइन कैसे लगाए हैं?
अच्छा देखो, डिटर्मिनेंट का रूल क्या है? आपने लोअर ग्रेड में किया हुआ है, ग्रेड 10 में भी था डिटर्मिनेंट आपको. प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस प्लस, इस तरह से चलेगा। जो फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट रहेगा जैसे आई, इसका साइन हमारे पास रहेगा प्लस का, सेकंड कंपोनेंट का साइन हमारे पास रहेगा माइनस का, थर्ड कंपोनेंट का रहेगा प्लस। उसके बाद 3 के लिए माइनस, अगर हम यहां से सॉल्व करना शुरू करें देन वी विल टेक इट एज माइनस। सेकंड कंपोनेंट इसके लिए 1 के लिए प्लस, 2 के लिए फिर माइनस। तो ये इस तरह से सारे का सारा साइन।
ओके सर।
अब जैसे मैंने यहाँ से सॉल्व
Okay,
करना शुरू किया, तो फॉर आई वी विल टेक इट एज पॉजिटिव, फॉर जे वी विल टेक इट एज नेगेटिव, फॉर के वी विल अगेन टेक इट एज पॉजिटिव। Next components, if we start solving from this component, then we will take it as minus plus minus. And if we start solving from this component, then it is plus minus. Clear?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Please note it down from the screen. Please discuss if you have any doubt. If you want a repetition, I will repeat it. But please share your doubt with me.
No doubt, sir.
If there is no doubt, then why are you not putting your answer? Now, listen again. Consider we have a vector, a vector with the component of ax I cap, ay j cap, and az k cap, and another vector b vector with the component bx I cap, by j cap, and bz k cap. To solve cross product, first we will take them in a determinant. In a first row, we will write their unit vector I cap, j cap, and k cap. Then their respective number. For I, we have ax. For j, we have ay. For k, we have az. Then for another vector, bx, by, and bz. Now, when we are solving from the first component, as per determinant rule, the first component is positive, second one is negative, third one is again positive. So I will taken as positive. When we are solving from the first component, we will hide out these numbers. Ijk and axp and multiply the remaining one. So we will have ay into bz minus az into b1. This is. Now, while solving second component j, as per determinant, we will have a negative side. So we will put minus sign over here. then unit vector j, the whole column and row will be hidden, and the remaining components will be ax, bx, az, bz. And we will have az, bx minus ax, bz. For solving last component k, we will hide k, row and column. Remaining component will be ax into by and ay into bx. Artaj, I hope this is clear now. So implement the same and solve the other one. Like we have solved this. In this, we have 2 I cap plus 3j, 2 I cap minus 3j cap minus k cap. B vector is minus 6 I cap plus 9j cap plus 3k cap. I, j, k, 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 6, 9, and 3. While solving I component, we will hide out like this. And remaining will be multiplied. While solving j, we will hide out and multiply remaining one. For k, we will hide out this and multiply the remaining. And here is the answer. Same is to be applied for the another. Here it is. A vector is 3 I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap, and B vector is 2 I cap minus 2j cap plus 4k cap. I, j, k, their components and solution. Please discuss if you have any kind of doubt. Still, I will repeat it again. And tomorrow we will do some more numerical on dot product and cross product, then an assignment or a practice sheet for you people to spend your weekend positively. Any doubt here?
Yes, sir.
Add out. Get out. Parmeet,
Sir,
Prachi,
no doubt, sir.
Nitish, Mehak, Doreen. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Nitish, I'm waiting for your comment.
Any doubt?
Please drop your feedback on WhatsApp. Thank you very much.